You gonna get out and open the gate?
Apparently. I'm just gonna get on my mud and it's gonna get on my shoes.
I'll get it, baby.
You got thongs on.
That's alright.
Oh, son of a
Here,
bitch.
here, that's alright, I'll get it. Hold on.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Look at the water run down the hill here.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Are you sure you're okay?
Not here. I gotta have to move. Back to the downpour.
Yeah, can you see how much water is right here?
Major storming right now. Look at that. I guess we're in for an El Nino. Look at this. The water running down the road. Major weather. There they go. Just had a major downpour, so I'm sure there's an accident out there on the 74.